88. How old is that in math?
37.
37 years old.
We got a little fix 'em up project on this here trailer, and it's gonna be one heck of a ride. It gets messy.
Old plates.
Now the goal here is to get another 37 years back out of this thing. That's what we're gonna try and do, armed with just our grinders and MIG welder. We got some 1/8" diamond plate from a local metal supplier, and per usual around here, we got to work. Busting it out, slapping it down, doing how we do. That look good.
Good morning, everybody. Alright, we're still waiting on parts. At this point, I think we're just waiting on money to buy more parts. But I'm getting ready to head over to Chuck's. It's 7 a.m. The sun is just now coming out, and it's freezing out here. I came out here in my shorts. I had to go back in and get a jacket. I don't know what the temp is, but I was like, what in the world? Ain't no Florida temp. So Chuck told me to bring my welding mask, a grinder, and a grinding mask, but I ain't got no extra grinding mask, so he gonna have to eat it on that. I think what we're doing is, ooh, nice. That's good for you. Right there, it's good stuff. Top tier content. I think what we're doing is repairing his trailer. He already did the bulk of the work, and we're just laying down new metal on it. So, probably gonna bring this whole girl out. I'm gonna show y'all a trick that you could do with a torch for removing paint so you can weld. I don't know where my goggles went to this unit. No, I will not clean out my garage. I do what I want. It's one way to wake up the neighbors. Oh, crap. It wasn't as bad as it looked. Fun part is yet to come. It on my pinky. Oh, this will be interesting. I feel like I'm coming down with a cold. Alright, what are we for? Grinding wheels, grinder, drill, oxyacetylene. I think that's it. Alright guys, pretty sure I'm coming down with a cold. Feel like dog crap. One way to get rid of a cold is spread it to all your friends. And then it no longer, you don't have it anymore. That's the way you do it. Man, that moon looks weird. A dot on the screen for y'all. But one way to get rid of a cold is to sweat it out. Alright, I'll see y'all at Chuck's. It's 45 degrees out here. I wonder why my hands hurt. Alright. The old plates, you know, nice and holy. Chuck already got them off the trailer. Got the new pieces laid up here. Looks like I'm filling some gaps. Okay, ain't nothing but a thing. Be easy peasy. Oh, look at that. Old Chucker's starting to lay down some dimes, huh? Look at that. Alright. Chuck's been getting after it. We got some gaps we gotta fill, huh?
And don't forget those shitty welds on camera.
Oh, I did. I said they look good. He's laying dimes. You started out real nice.
Laying slugs, man.
Yeah, I like it. Hey, she'll hold. not going nowhere. I brought this over. It's gonna make life easier. Taking paint off. You melt it, hit it with a wire brush on the drill, comes right off. So you just go around buzzing, heating everything, come back with a wire brush, it'll be clean. Like, psh, nice and easy. Me and Chuck, we prepped the edge. We're gonna weld here. We got it all spaced out where we want it. Prepping the last edge, and then we'll weld one side, run over to the other side and prep it, knock it out, and then I got a feeling we're gonna throw down some paint today.
Maybe.
Are you gonna let it flash rust up?
We got to do the bottom first, and then I'm going to drag the thing out, wire brush it, and paint the top with the air gun. But I think we'll brush the bottom so we can get it on good and thick.
Just thinking out loud, since we can access the bottom from the top, should we
I already did it.
scale these sides?
I did everything but the C channel already with a wire brush.
Okay. Alright. Good deal.
Every Mazda SUV offers you an elevated driving experience of refined performance. Discover at West Shore Mazda.
Let's see what all me and Charles have done here. Got plates ran in. Oh, I'm moving y'all around here. Plates all welded in. We got all the wiring out, and these wires were swelled up in these these little, I don't even know what to call them, square channels. So that was a nightmare getting those out. And we did end up using a ratchet strap to pull on them, and that ended up being the ticket. But we started knocking the fluff and junk off the top with this wire wheel. We got to tomorrow go underneath and do the same for the bottom. It's pretty bad in some areas, so that's going to be fun. And then once that is done, we can paint it, and it can have another 20-30 years.
That electric jack's supposed to come in.
Oh, I will be excited to see that. Chuck got an electric jack he's hooking up because this is a tilt trailer. So we got to do some fabrications, and then more of that. And then this trailer will be restorated. All right, guys, it's Modelo time. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
I could just zip them in real quick if I wanted to.
Yeah. That hits the spot. Good morning, everybody. Day 2 out here at the ranch, restorating this trailer. And this morning, well, not this morning, but yesterday, my truck battery decided to poop out on me. But I got a feeling something's just draining it, because I drove home and it fired up this morning. So I'm just gonna throw a charger on it and keep on keeping on until I need a jump box. Got some Dunkin' Dog nuts for the Charles over there. He says, what am I doing? You remember that truck battery taking a poo?
You just buy a battery.
Because I don't need one. Something's draining it, Charles. I ain't made of money like you, just building trailers willy-nilly, you know. Should get you a donut. No, I'm not gonna do it, Charles. I'm gonna keep charging it. Oh yeah. I don't know, but it might be warranted.
I think
Yeah.
platinum from AutoZone.
Yeah, it's probably warranted. You'd probably get it for free and they'll install it and all. Here, hook her up one of these things to that back post.
Red to black, right?
Yeah, red to black.
Something's happening here. Ain't going. Reaching. What's happening? You just bumped the battery.
Why do that when I got a perfectly good battery charger?
Goodness
right here?
gracious.
All right, get out of there. Go get a donut. You're pissing me off.
I'm pissing you off.
Yeah. Move.
It's on.
Okay, I feel better. Too early for this. Look at that. It says 80%.
Yeah, because it's got a bad cell. It's fine right now, and then in an hour it's going to be nothing.
I don't know. This will give me another couple days. I already did this once. First, we gotta knock off all this bubbling up of the paint and rust and metal. Gonna knock that off with the wire wheels, especially underneath. We're gonna air hose everything off, and we're gonna slap paint on underneath with brushes, and then we'll come back and spray to the top. We're gonna tag team that. 2 grinders going, and
2 guys, 1 trailer.
2 guys, 1 trailer. Chuck always comes up with the best sayings, I swear. He should just make shirts and hats and stuff. 2 guys, 1 trailer. If that gets your rocks off, something's not right with you. But if you enjoy watching, that's just fine. Alright, let's get y'all in time-lapse mode so y'all could just kind of watch us go 1,000,000 miles an hour and get it done. Covered in this stuff, and this is what we're getting off here. All that stuff, we're just smacking it off. You can see I just did this section. Lot of work to go. Alright, we ain't nowhere near as done yet, but about an hour in or so. Some hard work, some dirty work too. Man, we just swept the floors before we started, and they're already covered. Got the majority of this front section and midsection. Come back over it and hit it from this side, and then Chuck's getting all the fine details back there with a wire brush right now. I'm just ready to slap that paint on with a paintbrush and not look back at the underside of this trailer for hopefully 30 years. Let me see. Oh my God, other arm?
I already got that one pretty good.
Yeah, you think. It's covered. Oh man. Oh, it's all in my hair. It was all over my arms. All right, guys. Let's take a look. Oh, that was close. Hey, Chuck. Looking good.
These will last another 37 years.
Yeah. All right.
Show them the data plate so you can see how old this curtain is.
Okay, let's check out when this trailer was made. 88. How old is that in math?
37.
37 years old. Hopefully it lasts another 30 years. All right, so we got the bottoms and everything's prepped pretty much. We need to do a little bit of final prep on the top before we spray it. So we ain't gonna spray it today. That's gonna do it for this weekend. Y'all know what time it is. It's Modelo time. Phew, that was a heck of a job. But she is on her way. We still ain't done. We got more to do on this trailer. It just ain't gonna happen today.
Lots more to do.
Lots more to do. Look at all this paint.
I look like what's that dog? A Dalmatian.
A Dalmatian. Brr, it's all in my hair, dude. It's in my hair. I'm gonna have to have my wife sit there with acetone and a brush try and get it out. Baby oil. It's coconut oil? I don't know about that. Is that what they call? All right, y'all. Hope y'all had a great weekend. See you next weekend. Modelo.